Hello students, welcome to our science class. Today's topic is the human body. In this class, we are going to discuss about the human body structure. First of all, we'll study that our body is made up of different organs like heart, lungs, stomach, intestine, and these are the internal organs, and external organs like eyes, ears, nose, etc. So a human body is made up of the organ system. Different organs, they forms the organ system, and the organs like this, heart, lungs, stomach, intestine, all these organs, they forms the organ system. These organs are made up of tissues. Tissues are even smaller than organs. The organs are made up of tissues, and tissues are made up of cells. So the cells are the smallest structure of the human body. So the human body, the structure of human body is made up of cells. So what are cells? Cells are the smallest structure of the human body. Again we'll see the human body, it is made up of organ system. Organ system, it is formed by different organs. Organs which are formed by the tissues, and tissues are made up of cells. And cells are the smallest structure of the human body. Students, now will study the different body systems or the organ systems which are present in our body. In our body, there are 8 different organ systems. So basically, the organ system, we'll just summarize the table. We have summarized the body system in a table form. So let's study one by one. So first body system or the organ system is a nervous system. Nervous system, the main organs are brain, nerves, spinal cord. And what is the main function? The main function of nervous system is to control all the functions of the body. Our body does various types of functions. These various functions are controlled by this nervous system. Second is the skeletal system. Skeletal system is made up of bones. There are various types of bones which forms the skeletal system. And the main function of skeletal system that it gives shape to the body and also helps in the movement. Third, muscular system. Muscular system, main organs are muscles. Muscles forms the muscular system. It helps in the movement like walking, running, picking up the things, picking your bags, writing or walking or running, etc. Next is a circulatory system. Circulatory system, it consists of heart, blood vessels and the blood. The main function of the system is to transport blood and oxygen to all the parts of the body. Number 5 is the digestive system. Digestive system, the main organs are teeth, stomach and intestine. The main function is the digestion of food. The food which we eat, it has to be digested by our body. So that process is done by this digestive system. Next, number 6 is the respiratory system. Respiratory system comprises of nose and lungs. The main function is to absorb oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Number 7, excretory system. It is made up of kidney and skin. Excretory system, it helps to remove the waste from the body. Okay, fine. The next and the last is the reproductive system. Reproduction means reproductive system, it is made up of the main organs. The organs in the reproductive system are different in males and females. That is not discussed here, that we will see afterwards. What are the different organs? That you will study in higher classes. What is the function? The function is to produce the young ones. Fine. So these are the 8 different types of the organ system that we have to see. But in this chapter, we are not going to study all these 8 reproductive system. We are just going to study only the skeletal system. So now we will study about the skeletal system. All the bones of our body forms the skeletal system. Our body is made up of bones. The framework of bones forms the skeletal system. At the time of birth, our body have 300 bones. But you grow, the bones join together and become longer and stronger. जब किसी बेबी का बर्थ होता है, यानी जब आप छोटे बेबी थे, तब आपकी बॉडी में 300 बोन्स थी. लेकिन जैसे जैसे आप ग्रो हुए तो वो जो बोन्स होती हैं ये आपस में जॉइंट हो जाती हैं एंड इट बिकम्स लॉन्गर एंड लार्जर. सो व्हेन यू ग्रो अप, एन एडल्ट ह्यूमन हैज़ 206 बोन्स. जब आप बड़े हो जाते हैं तो ये 300 बोन्स नहीं होती, उस टाइम पे आपकी बॉडी में 206 बोन्स होती हैं. सो एन एडल्ट ह्यूमन हैज़ 206 बोन्स. नाउ what are the bones made up of? Bones are made up of minerals like calcium and phosphorus. जो हमारी बोन्स होती हैं वो किससे बनी होती हैं? कैल्शियम और फॉस्फोरस से. नेक्स्ट थिंग, बोन्स आर फिल्ड विथ बोन मैरो. द बोन्स आर नॉट एम्प्टी. जो हमारे बोन्स होते हैं वो अंदर से खाली नहीं होते, उनके अंदर बोन मैरो होता है. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस बोन मैरो? Bone marrow, it is a site of production of red blood cells. That means ये जो bone marrow है इसके अंदर जो हमारे blood के red blood cells होते हैं वो बनते हैं. Okay? Now what is the function of this skeletal system? क्या काम करता है ये skeleton? First, very important that it gives shape and support to the body. हमारी बॉडी को जो एक परफेक्ट शेप मिलता है वो किसकी वजह से मिल रहा है? दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द स्केलेटन, बिकॉज ऑफ द बोन्स, एंड ऑल्सो इट प्रोवाइड्स द सपोर्ट टू द बॉडी. नेक्स्ट, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द डेलिकेट इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. डेलिकेट इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स लाइक योर ब्रेन, योर हार्ट, योर लंग्स, योर किडनीज, ये जितने भी डेलिकेट ऑर्गन्स हैं दे आर प्रोटेक्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बोन्स. Third one, it helps in movement with the muscles. So bones and muscles together helps our body in the movement like running, walking, writing, etc. So these are the functions of the skeleton. It gives support and shape to the body. It protects the delicate inner organs like heart, lungs, kidneys, etc. It helps in movements with the muscles. So that's it. That's it for the skeletal system. So students, today we'll start with the next topic of the same chapter, the human body, that is parts of the human skeleton. Now we will discuss the different parts of the human skeleton. First, the skull. What is skull? The skull is the bony case that makes your head. Your head, it is made up of a bony structure. That bony structure is known as skull. What does it protect? It protects the brain. The skull protects the delicate organ, that is the brain. It gives shape to the face. The skull, it gives the proper shape to the face. One most important thing is that in the skull, the lower jaw, our skull is made up of two jaws, upper and the lower. In that, the lower jaw is the only movable part of the skull. So children, this is very most important part. The lower jaw is the only movable part of the skull. It helps you to chew your food and speak. As the lower jaw is movable, this helps you to chew your food and speak. Fine. Now the next part is the backbone, or it is also known as vertebral column. The backbone is also known as the vertebral column. So what it is made up of? It is made up of 33 small bones. Our backbone is made up of 33 small bones. It protects the spinal cord. backbone or the vertebral column, it protects the spinal cord. Now, in some of the animals, some animals they have backbones, while some animals they do not have the backbones. So the animals that have backbone are known as vertebrates. Getting it, children? The animals that have backbones are known as vertebrates. For example, human beings, we have the backbone, because of which we can walk straight, we can stand straight, it helps us to move, it helps us to stand straight. So because of this backbone, we can walk straight and sit straight. So animals which have backbones are known as vertebrates, that is humans, fish, frog, snakes, monkeys, etc. Now what about the animals that do not have these backbones? The animals that do not have these backbones are known as invertebrates. Invertebrates means they do not have this backbone. Example, jellyfish, worms, etc. That's it. So students, now the next part of the human skeleton is the ribs. Can you see the picture? The ribs, this is a cage-like structure which we found in our chest part. Okay, and it is made up of 12 pairs of flat, thin, curved bones in the chest. Can you see the figure here? Now, these ribs, they are joined to the backbone at the back. Fine. And this rib cage protects the lungs and the heart, the two most delicate organ of our body, that is the lungs and the heart. So this rib cage, it is just like a cage, therefore it is named as a rib cage, and it protects the inner delicate organ, that is the lungs and the heart. The next part of the human skeleton is our hands and the legs, which are known as limbs. The bones of the legs are called as hind limbs. The bones of the legs are known as hind limbs, and the bones of the hands or the arms are known as the forelimbs. Okay? One of the most important part is that the upper bone of the leg, that is the thigh. Can you see in the picture? The upper bone of the leg, that is the thigh, which is the long bone called as the femur. And femur is the longest bone in our body.